Hey everyone, my name is Tima, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my no foundation makeup look for Instagram specifically, especially on days where you don't feel like putting on a full face. This is a really good way to cheat it. So I'm going to start by using my favorite primer. I just put this over my T-zone and it helps with my skin texture. And before putting on my makeup, I'm going to be using these, how you pronounce it, but it works so well. And instead of foundation, I'm going to be going in with my glossy cover up. I'm just trying to make sure that I cover mostly everything. So then to focus on my under eyes, I'm going in with my concealer. This just helps for me to look more awake. And after that, I'll be setting my face with my Laura Mercier. I love contouring with this matchstick from Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade Truffle, and it works really well around my nose and my cheekbones. I'm going to be going in with this glitter palette from Smashbox, and I just kind of put the glitter all over my lids. I also don't usually wear fake lashes, so I always looking, and it just really makes the look really put together. After that, I'm going to highlight with my favorite highlighter from NARS, and this is in the shade Double Take. And just like in my previous video, I am using the I also use the lip gloss from Bite McGrath Lip Gloss in Flesh 4. And that is it for this video. I hope that you guys like this tutorial for a no foundation makeup look for Instagram. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.